Take a look at that pickup right there. That pickup of mine is exactly 70 yards from this camera. Okay, 70 yards. Now I'm going to step out here in front of this camera. Hope I don't bump anything. What I've got here is my 308, my Ruger Gunsight Scout 308, okay? And I've always wanted to do this. This is just a test. But back there I got a chair set up and I'm going to fire 3 bullets in the direction of this camera. In fact, I'm going to come as close to the camera as I can. Left side, right side, and on top. Because I've always wanted to know, I've been shot at before and I know that bullets make a whistling sound, but I wanted to see if this camera will pick up these 180 grain rounds out of this 308 right here. Okay, we're burning daylight. Let's get with this. Well, I'm going to know on playback if I managed to capture anything or not. But I know one thing, I sure had a hard time picking up that black camera in this scope of mine simply because I'm in a kind of a shaded area and the woods in back are very, very dark and whatnot have you. So I know if I was, say, 200-300 yards away pulling a stunt like this, you would probably hear whistling bullets. But I didn't weasel there or cheat. I shot as close to that camera once I picked it up in my scope and could definitely tell because I really didn't want to destroy my camera doing this. And no, I'm not doing this to make YouTube points or become some kind of YouTube celebrity or anything like that. This was actually a test where I wanted to see if I could hear whistling bullets. Well, I can see, or I can hear, excuse me, even with my best Bose headphones, that those bullets I fired very, very near that camera, I could just barely hear them whistling by. Now, the deal is, if I was to back up, say, 400 or 500 yards, and the most powerful long-range rifle I have is a 7mm Remington Magnum. That's actually a 1,000-yard rifle. Now, I can guarantee you one thing, ladies and gentlemen. If I was to do something like that, you would definitely hear a bullet whistle. But it really doesn't matter. It was just a little test. I was too doggone close to that camera. It was just a test for my own amusement. But here it is. Here's the reality of the situation. It's the bullet that you do not hear. This is the one that you must fear. I'm going to repeat that. The bullet that you do not hear is the one that you must fear. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video production, and have a nice day.